In Islam, the role of a wife is honored and elevated. Allah has made her the cornerstone of a strong and harmonious family unit. A good wife embodies qualities that reflect faith, love, and commitment. She is the epitome of peace and spiritual growth within the household. Here are 5 essential qualities that define a righteous wife in Islam. Quality number 1. The quality of a good wife is that she is God-fearing and characterful. A virtuous wife holds steadfast to her faith, nurturing her relationship with Allah as the foundation of her character. Her consciousness of Allah shapes her actions. She fulfills her duties sincerely and passionately. Her love and commitment to her husband are pure and selfless. She knows that through this, she gains blessings and strengthens the spiritual fabric of her home. Faith anchors her heart in patience, gratitude, and unwavering trust in Allah's plan. Her prayers and remembrance of Allah create an atmosphere of tranquility and mercy within the household. She is a gem for her husband. Quality number 2. The quality of a good wife is that she is loyal and committed. A good wife is loyal to her husband, upholding the sacred bond of marriage with dedication and respect. She stands by him in times of ease and hardship. She offers support and help in every situation. Her commitment extends beyond words, manifesting in actions that preserve the dignity and sanctity of their relationship. Loyalty fortifies the trust between spouses, ensuring the marriage remains a source of emotional and spiritual refuge. Her unwavering dedication reflects the essence of love rooted in sincerity and sacrifice. Quality number 3. The quality of a good wife is that she is compassionate and kind. Mercy and compassion are the hallmarks of a righteous wife. She treats her husband with gentleness, patience, and understanding. Her good behavior fosters love and harmony. Her words and actions are infused with kindness. She follows Allah and the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, in her personal and married life. Compassion softens hearts and bridges gaps, turning the home into a sanctuary of peace. Her kindness nurtures a loving environment, promoting emotional well-being and mutual respect. Quality number 4. The quality of a good wife is that she employs wisdom and good judgment to make her house a home. A wise wife exercises sound judgment, managing the household's affairs with intelligence and foresight. She balances her responsibilities gracefully, supporting her husband's endeavors while fulfilling her duties. Her wisdom manifests in decision-making, conflict resolution, and the nurturing of children. She is the power behind the family's moral and spiritual development. Wisdom strengthens the foundation of the home, allowing the family to navigate life's trials with resilience. Her insight fosters unity and strengthens the bond between family members. Quality number 5. The quality of a good wife is that she is an epitome of modesty and dignity. A good wife upholds the values of modesty and dignity in her conduct, speech, and appearance. She guards her chastity and protects the sanctity of her marriage, reflecting the noble qualities of haya modesty that Islam cherishes. Modesty is a reflection of inner strength and self-respect, shielding the marriage from harm. By embodying dignity, she sets an example of moral excellence for her children and community. A good wife in Islam is not merely defined by her outward roles but by the purity of her heart, the strength of her character, and her unyielding devotion to Allah and her family. Her qualities are a source of endless blessings, shaping the home into a place of love, faith, and tranquility. In fulfilling her role, she elevates not only herself but also those around her, embodying the true spirit of a believer. She is not merely a female but a woman, her husband's woman who is blessed by Almighty Allah. Be the one like her. Thank you.